Welcome to a new video on how people with spiritual gifts are affected by certain factors. If you possess spiritual gifts, you may have noticed that certain aspects of life can have a significant impact on your well-being and abilities. In this video, we'll explore 10 things that can affect individuals with spiritual gifts. Before that, I have something for you. If you have not joined our newsletter community, the link in the description. Factor 1. Energetic environment. People with spiritual gifts are highly sensitive to energy. They can be greatly affected by the energetic environment they are in. Negative or dense energies can drain their energy and affect their abilities, while positive and uplifting environments can enhance their gifts and spiritual connection. Factor 2. Emotional states. Emotional states have a profound impact on individuals with spiritual gifts. Intense emotions, such as anger, fear, or sadness, can disrupt their energetic balance and impair their intuitive abilities. Cultivating emotional well-being and practicing self-care are essential for maintaining their gifts. Factor 3. Personal boundaries. Spiritual gifts can make individuals highly empathic and compassionate. However, without clear personal boundaries, they may become overwhelmed by the emotions and energy of others. Learning to establish healthy boundaries is crucial for protecting their own energy and maintaining their well-being. Factor 4. Self-care practices. People with spiritual gifts often need to prioritize self-care practices. Regular meditation, energy clearing, grounding exercises, and other self-care rituals help them recharge, cleanse their energy field, and stay aligned with their spiritual gifts. Factor 5. Spiritual connection. Nurturing their spiritual connection is vital for those with spiritual gifts. Regular spiritual practices, such as prayer, meditation, or connecting with nature, support their intuitive abilities and enhance their overall well-being. Maintaining a strong spiritual connection helps them stay centered and aligned with their gifts. Factor 6. Supportive community. Being part of a supportive community is essential for individuals with spiritual gifts. Connecting with like-minded individuals who understand and appreciate their gifts provides validation, encouragement, and a sense of belonging. A supportive community can foster growth and provide opportunities for learning and sharing experiences. Factor 7. Negative influences. Negative influences, such as toxic relationships or environments, can significantly impact people with spiritual gifts. These influences can drain their energy, create self-doubt, and hinder their spiritual growth. It's important for them to identify and distance themselves from negative influences to protect their gifts. Factor 8. Vibrational alignment. Individuals with spiritual gifts thrive when they are in vibrational alignment with their true selves. Living authentically, following their passions, and surrounding themselves with positivity and love helps them maintain their energetic frequency and access their gifts more effortlessly. Factor 9. Continuous learning and growth. Those with spiritual gifts are on a perpetual journey of learning and growth. Expanding their knowledge, exploring different modalities, and embracing new experiences allows them to deepen their gifts and unlock new potentials. Stagnation can hinder their progress, so embracing growth is essential. Factor 10. Divine timing. Lastly, people with spiritual gifts are influenced by divine timing. The unfolding of their gifts and the opportunities to share them with the world align with a higher plan. Patience and trust in divine timing allow them to fully embrace their gifts and make a meaningful impact when the time is right. Remember, awareness of these factors empowers individuals with spiritual gifts to navigate their journey with greater clarity and resilience. Embrace your gifts, honor your unique path, and continue to shine your light in the world. Thank you for joining me in exploring the 10 factors that can affect individuals with spiritual gifts.